My younger 20s, I struggled a lot with a very bad lifestyle and took very poor care of my teeth. And even though it's been years since I've done all of that, it all kind of came to a head as I aged and had children. It just came to a point where no matter what we were doing, it was just putting Band-Aids on the issue. You know, I meet with customers on a day-to-day basis, and so how people view me and how I view myself, it's a lot. It's hard. My teeth are in such bad shape, I don't think I can get them whitened. I mean, it all started at a networking event when I won a Zoom whitening.
Holly is the kind of patient that sometimes you see often in dentistry, where they've had numerous types of dentistry time after time. The goal was, when I first met her, was to sit down and say, it's time for you to take on your life and not be thinking about dentistry. Sometimes it's not about all the medicine and the mechanics and the engineering that it takes. Sometimes it's about making sure that the patient gets to that final end goal and get to leave dentistry in the background and get to be me. And that was the joy. It really brought out the best in her, but also brought out the best in our team.
They treated it all as if it was their utmost priority, was my issue. If a crown fell off, I was in within hours. And they always said, you should never be in pain or you should never feel uncomfortable. Knowing what I had to have done, and we would be texting at midnight, I mean, they always went above and beyond to help me every single time.
If we can take away the surprises when it comes to the time, the effort, the scheduling, and the money that comes along with that, then we feel we've done a big part of our job. That's not just the medicine. Holly recognized that it was all in our hands.
Last night I ate a burger for the first time in 2 years, and it was awesome. And it seemed like such a small thing, but to me it was a really big deal. It's a huge emotional journey.
What had gone wrong in dentistry with her was that they hadn't focused on her health, her general health, and things had continued to fail simply because they didn't pay attention to the person. Fort Bend Dental is very focused on customizing care specifically to that patient.
It's just amazing. My kids give me a reason to smile every day, and now I actually feel like I can. There's no reason to live in pain or live in fear, because life is too short for that.